Did you know that nearly 40% of iPhone users hold onto their phones for over 3 years? So, is the iPhone SE4 the best budget phone of 2024, or should you stick with your old iPhone? Let's dive in and find out. The iPhone SE series has long been a favorite for those seeking Apple's performance at a more affordable price, and now, the iPhone SE4 has arrived with upgrades in key areas. It's aimed at both new buyers and those looking to upgrade from older models. But is it really worth it? Let's take a closer look. Here's the dilemma. You're holding on to an older iPhone, maybe the SE2 or SE3, or even something older like the iPhone 8. The camera isn't great anymore, and battery life is a little less than stellar. Now, the SE4 is out, promising faster performance, improved cameras, and more. So, do you stick with your current phone or make the leap? That's the question on many minds. Talk performance. The iPhone SE4 is powered by the A15 Bionic chip. Yes, the same chip found in the iPhone 13, which means a major boost in speed and efficiency compared to older SE models. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or running demanding apps, the SE4 handles it all smoothly. The SE4 comes with a 12-megapixel main camera and improved software features, including deep fusion for better detail in low light. If you're upgrading from the SE2 or SE3, this will be a noticeable improvement in both photo and video quality. Now, on to battery life. Apple claims the SE4 delivers better battery life than its predecessors, with up to 15 hours of video playback. For day-to-day use, you'll see more screen time between charges, which is a welcome change. And of course, price. At $429, the SE4 offers the best value for an iPhone with modern features, especially considering the iPhone 15 lineup starts at $799. It's a great option for those who don't want to break the bank, but still want that Apple ecosystem experience. So, does the iPhone SE4 really justify the upgrade? If you're coming from an older iPhone, like the SE2 or iPhone 8, the difference will be huge. The A15 chip will make everything faster, the camera improvements are substantial, and the battery life is a definite upgrade. But if you're already using an iPhone SE3, the changes are a bit more incremental. Sure, you get a better chip and camera, but the difference in everyday use might not be as dramatic. The decision really comes down to your priorities. Is having the latest tech worth the investment for you? The iPhone SE4 is a solid upgrade, especially for users with older iPhones. Its faster performance, improved camera, and longer battery life make it a great value at its price point. But if you're already on an SE3 or something newer, the upgrade might not feel as essential. What do you think? Is the iPhone SE4 worth the upgrade, or will you stick with your current phone? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for more tech reviews, be sure to check out my other videos. There's plenty more to help you make the right choice.